Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will discuss about how will be the month of December for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 9th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio, where 12th house Lord Mars is already moving. 9th house will with your father, teachings of your father seen from 9th house, your DNA seen from 9th house, your long distance travel related to pilgrimage is also seen from 9th house, your higher education means your post-grad education is also seen from 9th house. So right now 9th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house will with your foreign settlement related matter, your spirituality related matter is seen from 12th house, but mainly your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your hospitalization is seen from 12th house. So right now 9th house Lord is moving in your 12th house, and right now 12th house is in a strong position because 12th house Lord is already moving in your 12th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your foreign settlement related matter in the month of December. Sun will stay in your 12th house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your first house in the sign of Sagittarius, where Mercury is already moving. After 17th of December, when Sun will move to your first house, then we can also expect good result regarding your health related matter, because 9th house also deal with your fortune related matter. And after 17th of December, 9th house Lord will be moving in your first house, and Ascendant Lord deal with your general health, your physique, your personality, and your fame related matter. So after 17th of December, we can expect good result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your fame related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, because Mercury is already moving in your first house. And after 17th of December, Sun will illuminate the significance of your first house. So right now your Mercury 10th house Lord is also moving in your first house. So we can expect good result regarding your work related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and we can expect good result regarding your health related matter as well in the month of December. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 7th house and your 10th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your first house. Means Mercury is right now moving in your first house in your ascendant. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your bosses, your workplace, nature of your work is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, your authority in life is seen from 10th house, and your fame is also seen from 10th house. 7th house will be your marriage, your legal bindings, your relationship in general is seen from 7th house, your business partnership is seen from 7th house, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others seen from 7th house. So right now 7th house and your 10th house Lord is moving your first house, and from first house Mercury is also expecting your 7th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter if you are married right now. If you are unmarried, then we can expect good proposals in the month of December, especially after 13th of December, when Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion, and Mercury will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. So after 13th of December, we can expect more good result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your business related matter. If you are doing any business, also we can expect good proposals for the singles in the month of December for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. And as we discussed previously, Mercury also controls your 10th house, and right now Ketu is moving in your 10th house after 30th October 2023. So Ketu may create some disturbance regarding your work related matter and your work environment. But in the month of December, till Mercury is moving in your first house, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter. But you need to be careful regarding your argument with your bosses and your seniors at your workplace. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Venus controls your 6th house and your 11th house. And right now, Venus is moving in your 11th house in its own sign. 6th house deal with your conflicts, your arguments, your competition, your court cases, litigation, argument, fights, your daily routine, and your depth is also seen from 6th house. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional network circle is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your elder siblings, your gains in life. I mean, in Your gains in life in the form of bulk is also seen from 11th house. So right now, 6th house lord is in a strong position. So we can expect if you're dealing with any court cases in the month of December, then we can expect good result regarding your court cases related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your competition related matter because your 6th house lord is right now moving in the house of gain. Also, we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter and your gains related matter in the month of December in the form of money. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Sagittarius Ascendant people. Venus will stay in your 11th house till 24th of December. After 24th of December, Venus will move to your 12th house. So after 24th of December, when Venus will move to your 12th house, then we can expect more good result regarding your competition related matter because from 12th house, Venus will expect its own house, your 6th house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your 6th house related matter and your 11th house related matter in the month of December. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Sagittarius Ascendant people, Moon controls your 8th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard it's set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for whole month because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planets. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Mars controls your 5th house and your 12th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 12th house in its own sign, in the sign of Scorpio. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education till college life education is seen from 5th house. How smart you are, how genius you are is seen from 5th house. Your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your planning ability and your mental ability is also seen from 5th house. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, your foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your donations, your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. So right now your 5th house lord is moving in your 12th house in a strong position. That's why we can expect good result regarding your foreign settlement related matter, and also we can expect good result if you're we can expect good result regarding your children's related matter if you have children right now. Also children and they want to go to the foreign land for the study purpose. So we can also expect good result regarding these matter for your children in the month of December because right now your 5th house lord is moving in your 12th house and Jupiter is also moving in your 5th house which is your ascendant lord. That's why we can expect these results from Mars for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of December. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 12th house and will stay in your 12th house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your first house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 11th house. But after 24th of December, Venus will move to your 12th house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your first house and Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion in your first house after 13th of December and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your 5th house and right now Jupiter is moving in its retrograde motion, but Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your 5th house after 1st January 2024. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Sagittarius ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.